Welcome to allceylon.com. Here we can get the free data by invite friends to download MyAirtel application. Invite codes valid for the new users only, not existing users. Standard SMS charge will be applied for the invite friends by SMS. Maximum users can send 100 invites only per daily. I have put the MyAirtel download link in the description. Check below. Go to the main section, then invite friends, then invite friends, then click SMS or Viber or WhatsApp, anything. I using SMS method. I got the SMS. I got the download link. I am using iPhone, so I click iOS. Then install the application. Enter my mobile number, new Airtel number, email address, invite code. Here's the invite code ajc9999. After complete installation, I got 600 MB data free, and from my other Airtel number, I got 1 GB anytime data. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Thanks.